Hi everybody, Rana from Selldone. Welcome to the order processing for physical products walkthrough that's going to help you fulfill your orders easier and faster. Let's get started. In the order section, you can process all types of orders. By default, final orders are displayed in the list, but you can also see open or canceled orders by clicking on the options. Well, I entered this order section. Here you can see all the information about order payment, commissions, and shipping costs. The first step is order confirmation. You can change any item according to the inventory. This feature is useful when you have a problem ordering one or more products, such as breaking an item while there is only one in the stock. Well, here as a test, I don't confirm a product and remove it from the order items list. And see this change in the customer's order panel as well. It is recommended that you check with the customer for the final delivery after this. Well, in the preparation section, I enter weight and size of the package. Depending on the restrictions we set when adding the courier, some shipping methods such as truck and fast post show us a shipping error. That is because of exceeding the dimensions. Well, the global transportation method allows us to send the package. Now I click on the Order Ready to Ship button. By refreshing the order page in the customer panel, it shows that the product is ready to ship. You can enter the tracking ID and tracking URL of the sending company here so that the customer can check the status of sending his order. Click on the Delivery Confirmation option to notify the customer that the product has been sent to its destination. After receiving the order, the customer can confirm the receiving of the package in their own panel. If they forget, you can manually do that. Well, the message of the order has been delivered indicates that the customer has received the order. At the bottom of the order page, there is a QR code that can be scanned only by the person who you put in charge of sending the packages in the role section. This information shows the time and place of the order along with the map to find the address more easily through the application. At the top of the page, the timeline section shows when and what happened to this order. Selldone generates the label and invoice of this order as a PDF for you so that you can download and print it and send it with the package. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.